Place content is one of the most important and flexible technologies in pdfToolbox. And in this video, I want to give you an overview of what it can do and what it is. You can think of place content as a PDF decorator. It takes an existing document and adds additional content to it. And to show you what kind of things we can add, let's go to create a new fixup, and then in the find box there, I'm going to type place. And apart from the last fixup that you see in the list, all of these fixups use the place content technology. What you can see is that we can do very simple things. I can add a barcode, I can add a line, a square, a circle, a piece of text, and I can do all of that by simply filling out a list of parameters. And these parameters say what exactly I want to add, what the value is, what type of barcode, for example, or what font I want to use for the text line that I want to add. I can also specify what positioning I want. So where is it, on which page, in relation to the trim box or the bleed box or something else? Is it with a certain width and height? All of these things you fill out, and then you run the place content fixup. And I can show you what that looks like. I have a document here that has multiple pages, and in test mode, I will add a barcode to page 2. And this is the ISBN code that got added. So I was able to specify where to add it, what the width and height of the ISBN code was going to be, and what the value was. Another example would be that I could take the same document and then again in test mode, run it, and if I look at page 2 again, this time there is a JPEG that got added into my PDF document. So more specifically, the JPEG got converted to PDF, and then that PDF content was added to my original document, again on page 2, but this time in the top right corner of the page. Now, it is really flexible to be able to add all of the simple content to the document, but sometimes there is stuff that you want to add that is much more complex and that looks at the document that you're adding it to, and you'd like it to be as dynamic as possible. And place content also enables that. So let me go to this document. This is a packaging file, and it has a list of spot colors, gold foil, and other stuff that is used. And what I want is, I want to have a spot color bar here that is adjusted to exactly the spot colors in the document. And I'm first going to show you what it does. So run this in test mode. On the left-hand side of the document, you end up with a spot color bar, and for each spot color in the file, there is a number of patches with gradations from 0 to 100%. How was this done? Well, this was done also with place content, but this time the complicated version of place content. So if I open this up and we look at the parameters, you can see that there is this pull-down menu that allows me to choose a template. And these templates, and I will show you what they look like, but we're not going to talk about any details in this video yet. These templates are folders that contain HTML, XML, you can use JavaScript and CSS. This is converted dynamically by pdfToolbox into PDF, and then that PDF is added on top of the document that you are processing. And in this way, we're capable of dynamically calculating a spot color strip and adding it to our document.